Have you ever wondered how we can make a material levitate? Do you know materials have memory? Did you know that some metals behave like a trampoline? Can you imagine metals behaving like a sponge? Did you know that you can make household items sitting inside your home? Have you ever wondered how materials can sustain extreme environments? Have you ever wondered if there is a way to prevent failure of materials in important structures? The answers to these questions are being provided every day by engineers and scientists working in the Department of Materials Science and Engineering, IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi is considered to be an institute of eminence in the country and commands immense respect across the world. We strive to foster professional growth of our students by providing them a space to excel in academic, cultural, and sporting activities. As IIT Delhi is situated in the heart of the National Capital Region, it is also considered to be one of the most accessible and modern campuses in the country. The Department of Materials Science and Engineering, which was started in 2018, has very strong academic foundations and is managed by faculties who have diverse specializations and research interests. As a result, it is also one of the most inclusive and synergistic departments in the country. Since the department has been newly constituted, the curriculum has been carefully designed to provide a modern perspective of materials without compromising on fundamental concepts.
We are delighted to announce the start of a new BTech program in Materials Engineering at IIT Delhi. Materials science is a very broad area with applications cutting across aerospace, automobile, electronics, manufacturing industries, and the like. If you have qualified JEE this year and looking to pursue an undergraduate program to enhance your knowledge and skills to prepare yourself to address challenging problems in energy, environment, sustainability, as well as computational approaches in material design, then this program is for you.
Department has very experienced award-winning faculty as well as young enthusiastic faculty to mentor the best minds of the country.
We have a brand new curriculum in material science and engineering, including metals, ceramics, polymers, electronic materials, and computational techniques in materials, including, among other techniques, artificial intelligence and machine learning. We have a very enthusiastic and young faculty group, very willing and excited to interact with young minds like yours.
Introduce very interesting courses and also introduce new materials. For instance, I would like to highlight additive manufactured materials. Additive manufactured materials, also known as 3D printed materials, are very popular in the world. You can sit at your homes and design tools that you want or you cannot access.
We also work closely with the top-notch space agencies of our country like ISRO, and also the healthcare units. For example, GE is one of the leading companies for the time being.
Department is committed to provide placement opportunities to young minds in the leading companies across the world.
Delhi being an NCR region having several job opportunities for various public and private sector. Already we have several companies which we have an overwhelming response to recruit our students to their organizations, such as GE, Tata Steel, Saint-Gobain, Maruti, Havels, etc.
Fills an extremely important void which was there in the industry before. The people with the specialization in the same are highly required by the industry, especially now. We in DS have worked closely with the materials department in IIT Delhi and have found the results extremely encouraging.
We are very happy with the IIT Delhi students working in our polymer divisions, because polymer is the backbone of our company, and we have been taking MTech students from IIT Delhi, and we are very happy to know that IIT Delhi is also introducing BTech, and we look forward to very bright students working with us in the future. Thank you.
IIT and DMSE believe in encouraging the entrepreneurial spirits of young minds by encouraging incubation of startups within the campus. Faculty mentorship and access to amenities are provided by the institute to ensure that every such venture is successful.
I am extremely happy to see our students involved in large number of innovative projects which are leading to technology transfer and startups which are being initiated by our students from their PhD research work and then taking up to the level of products. One such product I would like to mention is from polymeric material, natural polymeric materials, which can lead to nanofibers which are being used in super absorbent applications. This has got the startup grant from IIT Delhi, and the startup has now converted into a full-fledged company which are involved in pilot scale productions, which will be involved in pilot scale production very soon.
We give a lot of importance for innovation and startups. We believe artificial intelligence and machine learning is changing the way we are looking at materials. To give you an example, the glasses that we commonly use, for example Gorilla Glass that's used on your mobile phone, it's a completely computationally designed glass. And similarly, we have developed a software package in-house called Python for Glass Genomics, which uses machine learning technique to predict and economize the design of novel glasses. This package was completely developed by a bunch of undergraduate students along with a PhD scholar, and this won the Gandhian Young Technological Innovation Award of 2020. We have actually commercialized this software package and we have already sold a few packages in India and abroad.
The department is also committed towards excellence in biomedical applications and collaborates with top health institutes in the country.
In dental trauma, traumatized teeth require stabilization in order to heal. We are currently collaborating with the Department of Material Science and Engineering, IIT Delhi, to develop a dental splint in order to stabilize these teeth.
Opportunities to our undergrad students and offer a smooth path to join our specialized graduate programs. With the support of renowned scientists and eminent academicians, the DMSE undergraduate program hopes to be an exciting new endeavor that benefits the future of the country and society.
Starting from this year, IIT Delhi has started a new BTech program which is titled Materials Engineering. As the name suggests, the goal is to look at advanced materials for a variety of applications, starting from aerospace engineering to nanoelectronics kind of requirements. As you see, in every area of engineering, materials play a very key role, and designing these materials to meet certain specifications for required application is also now emerging as an area of research. That is where IIT Delhi Materials program will equip students to become future leaders in producing advanced materials for a variety of applications.